at the Extended Stay America, which also known as AKA Suites, in St. Peters, Missouri. We're going to take a room tour in room 320, which is actually right next to the elevator. Now, let's walk in here. We have your Social Security Department. We got the evacuation route, emergency evacuation route. We got the people, door latch, and this is the hallway with your grips or backpacks, luggage. And that door goes into the closet and the bathroom. We'll show you in later. This right here is the center. They're all one king size suite ADA room. This is very big. This nice queen size bed. Very, very nice. It's got the one extra pillow. It's got the one extra blanket. And we got a nightstand with your lamp, with the good book and the phone book, the Holy Bible. Nice for the nightstand. And over here we have your flat screen TV with the remote, with your desk mirror. Hello. And here's your refrigerator and freezer. They're very, very clean. And right here is the microwave or safe. The bowl is clean, but another desk here. Nice for a desk. And over here, and we have with your air conditioning unit, thermostat, and we have the numbers. Too high, very too cold, too cool, too heat, the heater, the freezer, freezing so much. And here's your view of nighttime in St. Peters, right next to the Courtyard by Marriott Hotel. All right. Now we're going to check out the closet. The closet. It's a standard hotel closet with your iron board, with your iron, which got some hangers, Double extra something. Double extra blanket. Alright. Now let's head to the bathroom. This right here is the standard hotel bathroom. And over here, we have your sink, hot, cold, mirror, hello. Underneath the sink, the pipes, they're very clean. Here's a toilet. Flush is very nice. Nice button for flush. And over here is the bathtub with your shower head. Hot, cold. Oh, really nice looking. Nice for shower head. Cold, hot. Alright. Alright. Alright, let's take one to look at the room. So what do you think of this hotel room? I really like it too. This is like similar to the one over at the Westport Plaza in Maryland Heights, Missouri, with filmed by Andrew and Jacob, also known as Diesel Lucy and the Elevator Channel, way back in 2012. During the St. Louis road trip video and the Kansas City road trip video. So, with that being said, thank you for watching. That is all.